the basic two steps of the SAS programming. Number one, data step. And second step is what you do in the data step and what you do in the proc step. In the data step,
To create the data set.
yes,
To write the data.
Collection of
data set. Whereas in the proc step, proc means is a process.
Analysis report, sir.
process that.
Process the data.
Procedure.
Not process, is a process.
Procedure.
What is that procedure? Is a predefined functionality.
Is a predefined functionality.
Yes.
Specific tasks.
Here my system keyboard is very tough. Very hard it is. That's why going slow typing. Okay. So you know how to create data set. I already have seen. One simple thing I'm showing you. So data EMP here. EMP is data. I want to declare some of the variables into this. Inputs. ID. I want to keep it as number. That's why I don't give any symbol here. Name. I want to make it as string. What is the symbol?
Dollar.
Dollar.
Gender. I want it as string.
Dollar.
Like this. Over here, if I write some statement, I am ending that statement with semicolon. I want to keep data rows. The statement.
Data line.
Data line start your data. Yep. Field value to value, variable value to value, just a space is the delimiter. Okay, separate all the attributes with spaces. Of course, still something is sometimes if I say my name as Amar Kumar. Okay, now it reads as three.
Sir, what is the attribute, sir?
Wait. Attribute means column name. Okay, so actually
Okay.
Amar Kumar is a single attribute. But here Amar space column. Now in this case, what happens? 101 goes to ID, Amar goes to name, but Kumar goes to salary. Some wrong manipulation. So such a kind of situation.
I'll mute.
Can you please mute your phones?
All of you please cooperate. So in a single column value, if there are spaces, how to deal that in the coming examples you will be learning. Okay, for now, simply field to field, that means column to column, I'm keeping only single space as delimiter. Suppose 50,000 salary and he's a male, 11 is the department. First record completed and 102. So name, salary, always the department. Department. In this way, different departments. Whatever. First part is complete. I want to print that. You need to use some procedure. Okay. Proc. Equal to data. Of course, here different options. Now I'm not doing any options. Straight away I'm running this one. Okay. So in this way, your program has two steps. The first part is data step. Second part is proc step.
Proc step.
Come to this. Yesterday, we are at filters. What exactly the filter is? Filter meaning what?
Until time the 7:20 हो गया.
That means selecting the observations which are matching with the condition.
Thawla sen छोड़ दोगे भैया.
Please mute, sir.
Can you please
The
mute?
observations match with the given condition. And I will mute all of you. Jagdish, some songs are coming from your side, please. Come on, look into this. Just refreshing, already we have done. Only males data I want. What is your condition? I want
Where?
data set.
Gender is equal to
So I want to create a
M.
new data set. Within that data set, I want to take only males. From beginning onwards, try to say.
Data males
Let's say
Set.
data males.
at employee,
Set.
that employee,
Set employee.
Yes.
where gender is equal to male.
Gender is
After that, what is the statement?
where gender is male.
Quotation
Male.
M.
M.
Yeah. Now tell me. I will just talk about only where class. I want males. From Hyderabad and Delhi. I want females. From Pune and Mumbai. City column also available.
Gender equals male
Want all people.
and address equals Hyderabad or address equals Delhi.
All from Chennai.
This is the
Remaining people I
condition.
don't want. I don't want remaining people. I want all males from Hyderabad and Delhi.
Okay.
Males from Pune and Mumbai.
Hmm.
All from Chennai. Remaining I don't want. Tell me.
All
Giving step
sorry.
options.
where gender is equal to male.
Where gender equals
That
male.
Set, yeah.
And city is equal to Hyderabad.
Now onwards is started.
Set. Gender
Equal
equals
to male.
Gender equals to male.
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 And city is equal to Hyderabad.
Then and bracket starts city equals equal to Hyderabad
Equals to
or HYD or
Hyderabad
city
or
equal to DEL.
city equals to del. Okay. Keep this entire city condition in. Got it. Now treat this entire thing as single condition. Okay. Keep it into separate bracket. Okay. This entire condition is males for Hyderabad and Delhi. Do the same thing. Females. Gender equals to
female
And
yeah.
city equal
and city equals to
Pune.
Pune
equals to
or
Pune.
Pune
or city is
or
equal to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Or
Equals
city
to
is equal to Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay. This is my second condition. Come on, third. I want all
Only one condition.
males and
City.
females.
City is equal to Chennai.
City
Equals to
equals to Chennai.
Chennai.
What about gender condition?
No need.
We
You
can
want
give it,
all, right?
or if we want to give it, we can give it. Otherwise, it will run like
Because
this only.
we have only two genders.
Yeah.
If you have only two genders, there is no specific rule for the gender here, whether you want male or female. That's why no need to give any gender conditioning here. Now look into this. Totally here, three conditions are involving in a high level. Condition number one, condition number two, condition number three. Again, between them, logical operator is required. What is that? What is that logical operator? And or?
And
Or
and
or
and
Or is right answer.
Ours.
Because if I am into first category, definitely I will not be into second and third.
ఇది
Suppose
one
if you are
అన్న.
into third
Two
category,
కాదు, one.
definitely you are not into.
okay, between two conditions, right?
Understand? The situation is that you can be at any one position. That's why here or is the operator. Now your statement completed. And then you can run. Understand? In this way, complex conditions you can design. Like clinical trials data. A lot of variables will be there. Okay. Based on different patterns condition, you need to fetch that data. You need to apply filters. Okay. We step into that clinical trial part. We will see what are all the different variables available, how to process them, and how to filter them. We will see. Okay. All of you understood about above condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Now a little complex I want to increase. I have a data set, some sales. It is data set variables, product ID, and customer ID. Price. And still, month is a separate column. Actually, month, day, year will be kept in a single column with the data type, but still we don't enter into types. I am taking as separate columns. Month as separate column, day as separate column. I am taking year as separate column. Okay. Suppose sample rows. Let me keep this data sales. Input. The previous columns I give here. That everything is a number here. And one or two sample rows I will write. Product ID, let's go with the P1. I'm making it as a dollar. And customer dollar. Remaining things, numbers. Product ID P1. Customer ID C101. And price, he purchased something at the price 30,000. And this happened on 01st month. It's one. Month number 1. Day number 3. Year 2001. Okay. The meaning of this entire first line. Customer 101 purchased P1 at 3,000 rupees on this particular rate, 2001, January 3rd. Okay. In this way, I have a lot of data. Just I'm keeping dots. And last transaction. Last transaction is about a product 5. This is made by C109. So price is 90,000. Okay. Today's date, please. 9th. Sorry, second month on 9th day. 2000.
10th.
So in this way, you have data. Be millions of records. Okay. So observe the task. All of you observe this task. I want all transactions. Transactions means observations. Okay. Records I'm saying. The year is 2012. Okay. 2012 May onwards. And up to 2022 June. This is my condition. I have data from 2001, but I want to analyze only data of 2012 May onwards and up to June 2022. You have also for this to access those dates, you have here columns. What columns are you?
Where
Month,
First
day and
month,
year.
day, year. Of course, to answer this question, day is not important. Month and year are important.
yes,
Come on, tell me only where class.
where month is equal to
Where
month
day,
is equal to May
so sorry,
and
month,
year is equal to 2012.
no, month is greater than May.
1 minute.
month is greater than or equal to May.
No, greater.
5.
Month is greater
If
than
I
May.
say month greater than or equals to 5.
Then it will take
it should
the
start with year.
Okay.
But what about
Fine.
year? For every year it takes. From
it's
Start
May
from
on.
year.
And
Is
and
greater
great.
than
And
20.
No,
year
no.
is greater
And
than equal to 2012.
year
Year
is
equal
equal
to
to 2012.
2012.
greater
And
or equal
yeah,
to
Are you saying
2012.
onwards will be greater than and equal to 2012?
Forget
Greater.
here. 1 minute. All of you just look into this. Look into year 2013, sir. How many months you have? As per my talk, I'm talking about 2013.
12 months.
How many
12
months
months.
you want? 12 months, all months. That
12.
Yes.
Yes.
only May onwards, that is the rule only for 2012. Got it? So I
Okay,
treat this
okay.
as a separate condition. Year should be 2012. At the same time, month should be greater than or equal to 5, or you can say greater
Okay.
than 4.
Yeah.
Come on. At the same time,
Okay.
look into the last up to 2022. Up to 2022 June. That means
Less or equivalent to.
Less
less
than,
than or
month
equal
less
to.
than
That
5.
means year should be what?
Less
Year
than
should be
Less
year,
than or
year.
equal to
is equal to 2022
2020
And month less than 5.
2022.
and
and
month.
month is less than 5. 5.
I say 7. June
6.
means
June.
Yeah, 7.
less than or equal to 6, less than 7.
Oh, up to.
Okay. But what about 2013? What about 2014, 15, 16?
We can give and condition, then it will give all.
One more condition.
Or
One more condition here.
Be or.
Year should be greater than 2000.
Right. And less than
Year should be
2023.
less than
2023.
2022.
23. 23. Okay, right.
Because the starting 2012, the ending is 2022, but between them 2032 up to 2021 years. From these years, I need all the months. That's why here I did not say any condition for month. Got it. Again, if you treat this as condition number 1, this is condition number 2, this is condition number 3. Between them, operators are required, logical operators. What is operator?
or
Why are here? Suppose treat it as your date of birth. If your date of birth is at first one, definitely you are not into second and third. Okay, if your kid date of birth is in 2023, definitely you are not into first two. Got it? Like that. So that's why it's situation anyone. That's why you have to give or operator between them. In this way, the complex conditions that you can map it. Got it? Now one more condition. We see some transformations here. based on this. Conditional transformations. So try to understand concept and syntaxes and how it works. So next class onwards, purely once practical started, everything will be into the practical mode only. We will go. So conditional transformations. What is the meaning of conditional transformations? Means transforming the data according to the given condition. For example, look into the gender columns. For example, what values you have in the gender column? For males,
Female and male.
for females, you said yeah. Okay. Think that this data is coming from a clinical trials place. I want to transform this male, M as male, F as female. I want to transform M as male. And keep this F as female.
Update table.
Want to make like this. So,
Proc format.
so don't go for the format. First of all, programmatically how to deal, you have to learn. Okay? If statement. Got it? If statement format is like this. That is the syntax. If then let's say I'm keeping statement 1. Yeah. This else means condition false. Then different state. Okay. Based on this, let's talk about our employee data set. Data employee. A simple thing. Already we have. It's a new EMP.
New. Set employee.
Set employee.
Set employee.
I want to transform the gender.
If gender equal to M.
Follow this syntax. If gender.
If gender is equal to M, then
Quotation,
gender is
then-
equal to
then
male.
how
What is my
Gender
statement?
is equal to male.
MALE.
Gender equal to
Male.
MALE.
male
Else gender equal to female.
else.
Then
Gender equals to
Female.
Female.
suppose first person is Ravi. He is a male. Condition true or false?
True.
True.
True. That's why the value will be transformed as male. Suppose second value Lata, female. The value will be transformed as a female, like this. Simple conditional transformation. Right? Okay. Based on this, a small quick for you. My data is like this now. You have to tell me answer.
Data. C.
I'm taking some clinical data. Good. Subject ID. Start BP. And BP. These are the 3 variables.
Okay.
Data lines. 101 is the subject ID. That means the patient. Start BP 78. Of the trial or treatment, the BP got to 90. 102. In the beginning 80, later it got to 70. 50. Now it's. Come on, sir. Only 3 patients I have taken. When he stepped into the hospital, BP level is different. When he's quitting the hospital, the BP level is different. Start BP and end BP. Think that in those periods, the treatment happened. Before treatment, after treatment. Got it? Come on. So look into the first patient, sir. BP increased or decreased?
Increased.
Increased. Okay. So that kind of status I want to write now. I want to generate status, growth status.
Data status.
Data, new, let's say new.
Okay.
Set clinic.
Set
Input. Set clinic.
issue transformation. I want to generate a field status.
If
Yes, if.
start PP.
Come on, proceed.
Clinic, it
Start
starts
BP.
BP.
Start BP. Greater than.
Start BP is greater than
Then
end BP.
And BP.
Then
Then
status is equal to
if start with
decreased.
more
Decreased.
and BP less means that is
Less.
decreased.
Less. Decreased.
or low BP.
Else.
Else. Start PP greater
Else
than
high
end.
BP.
Then
Else
status-
status is equal to high BP.
status is equal to
High
increased.
BP.
Status
Okay.
equal.
Increased.
Increased.
You cannot say like that. Here. 104 patient. The beginning of the training is the beginning of the treatment is score 90, ending also 90. There is no growth, right? Growth, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You cannot say it as a decrease, you cannot say it as a increase.
Yeah.
If the condition is false, one more condition I am taking.
Else if start BP less than
Else
end
if
BP.
Equal.
Start
Start
this time.
less than end BP.
Then
Then
status is
status is equal to increased.
increased.
Else. Now the third condition. Else no change.
Else.
Else
Same.
status is equal to same.
Last, so option 1 completed decreased, option 2 completed decreased. What is pending option? No growth.
Then status is
Else.
equal to same.
No
Now
change.
give some
No
label.
change. No change.
No change. Like this.
Do we have to give
Here
the
if
do we have to keep the condition start BP is equal to end BP or not?
No.
no need.
That's the only condition.
You are checking with first, you are checking for decreased, you are checking for increased. Okay. If it is not decreased, if it is not increased, it means what is the final option? This one. Still, if you have other option, then you have to check the condition. Okay. So one more example, you will get good grip about this nested ifs. This is called nested if.
Nested if. Yes.
If statement, within that other if statement. Okay. So if condition, you are checking with other conditions. Come on, more examples we'll see later. So for now, to get more grip. Okay. I'm taking one more simple example. In the nested if style, I need it. Data, sample, input, A, B, C. Raman, please mute, sir. Avinash, please mute. A, B, C, only 3 variables I'm taking. Data lines. Tomorrow I will definitely change this laptop, sir. The keyboard is little tough to type. That's why going slow. All of you observe these values. There are 3 columns, ABC. Here, that means 3 variables. Which value is bigger values?
A.
A.
In the second, 89 is bigger.
A.
C.
C. B.
Here, 89 is bigger. And biggest. That is our task now. Tell me.
If
Set data down.
Yeah. okay.
Taking input from
Set Sam. If
first, I just need which is big.
If A is greater than B
At each
and
row,
A,
what is the biggest value I need it?
so
A,
if A is greater than
B greater
B
than C.
B
and
or
A is greater than C,
A greater than C. Then
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 A
big equal to
then big
big is
is equal to A.
big equal to A.
A.
Next.
Else if
else
Forget about
else
else. I just closed this statement here.
Okay.
So A greater than B, A greater than C. Then big. Only true part I am writing, not else part. One more separate condition I am planning here. A greater-
is less than
now target B.
is less than B.
B.
B is less than C.
B greater than
B greater than
B greater
A.
than A,
A
and
and B
B
greater than
Greater than
C.
C.
B greater than C.
then
Then B equal to
then big
B.
is B.
If
B.
C greater than A and C
Now
greater
this time
than
target C.
B.
If C greater than A and C greater than B, then B
And
B
is
equal
equal to C.
C greater than
B.
big equals to C. Now finally, after completion of this, the variable big will be generated. Right? So this is way 1.
If all are same,
Suppose
if all are same, then we have to write that condition also.
89. 89. You will not get any problem. You will get 89 as bigger if all values are set. Come on, try to do this. First condition false. Second condition false. Third condition. Okay.
Okay.
So at the time you will get what? Null you will get. You will not get any. That means there is no bigger. Suppose if you want to treat it like this, you have to write one more condition.
L.
If A is equal to B,
B
B equals
C,
to C,
then equal to
A.
anyone. Okay.
any.
Like this. If you want to write, you can plan, you can include that condition also. Come on, this
Okay.
number 1. Way number 2. Observe. Simple. I'm trying to give you the techniques. Okay, let's remove all these things. Let's fresh. We'll write as a first one. Sir, if meeting terminated, please join immediately. Huh?
Okay.
I'm going to talk about way to here. At a time.
Less than sign.
So we have 3 input variables, A, B, C. The biggest can be anyone, right? So for first, fix some default value. I'm treating C as big. Okay, just blindly I'm fixing C as big. Okay. First I'm targeting A greater than B. One more condition I'm giving. If A greater than B, I'm checking that with A greater than C.
Mhm.
Equal to A. Observe here. I'm writing else. This else is for what? This else is for this sub if.
B.
A greater than
B.
C condition. Okay, else. Then big equals to A greater than B.
B.
A greater than
B.
and A greater than C. Then
B.
C.
B. B.
B or C.
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 Because
C.
it is second one. Second if,
Yes.
right? So, yeah.
Because when you are
If step.
if first if condition got a true, then only you came to here, right? If first condition true means B is small already. Now competition between A and C only. If A not big, C will be the big. Okay. Now come to this second part. Else is for what? This else is for
First
this
one.
first one,
Yeah.
right?
Big is C. Big is B.
No.
Big is B.
Wait. If first condition false means what? B bigger than A, but still competition C.
C. Yes.
Okay. Then compare this. Else
If.
if
Yes.
B
B
greater.
greater than C,
B greater than C.
then
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 B is equal to B.
B.
big now.
B equal
B is equal to B.
Else big is equal
It
to
is equal to C.
C.
equal to
Big equals.
B is equal to C.
Understood this? Come on, way one you have seen, way two you have seen. First way. Way one, way two. You finally run it. Come on, sir. Way one, this one. Only 3 lines. Way two, many lines. Which is best way? Tell me.
A1.
No, way 2 because it will
Come on, sir. Think, please.
Way 2.
way 2 is it will cover all